This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral 360IBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 39 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, skylight, smoke detector, TV antenna, oven, microwave, awning, leveling jacks, LP detector, TV, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Chaparral 360IBL is 11,449 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral 360IBL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.